Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find system and updates. Now we have to enter system navigation, which should be on the second position. And as you can see here, we've got 3-key navigation, which we've got currently applied, and the gestures. Before we will set the gestures, let's tap on the settings here, because if you will decide that you want to leave the 3-key navigation turned on, you can customize it here. So you can reorder the back button and the recents, and you can also add this button to hide the 3-key bar, kind of. We can also tap on more, and here you can use the navigation dog, but let me leave it, just focus on the gestures. So let's tap on it, and if you want to, you can go through the gestures tutorial, you can learn how to use them. I don't want to do that. What is more, I'll explain how to use them in a second. As you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we do not have actually anything. They will immediately disappear. We can also enter the settings before we will try to use them. Here we've got also the animation, so you can watch it and learn. You can show navigation bar, so this line, if you like it, I'm not sure, I think I prefer to have it hidden. You can slide across bottom to switch apps, and Google Assistant, it's up to you how you want to set it. And now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center. However, don't hold it for too long, because it will open this additional bar. So just swipe it and release the finger, and you will go back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And here we've got the home page, and if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, however this time slightly elongated, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.